What the heck is going on, everyone? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we are back again with another trade review on our favorite stock of 2022, and it looks like 2023 now. Penny Stock MULN. Today, we're going to be talking about how we were able to profit on the same stock, the same pattern, but a different day. What goes around comes back around. Justin Timberlake doesn't say it for no reason. He is talking about the stock market when he says that. And I think he's actually talking about the stock MULN, M-U-L-N. This is an EV-related penny stock that has cars out on the road. Not too many of them are out there, but they do have cars out there. Cargo vans have just got sent out, which caused a spike from 12 cents all the way up to 16 cents a couple days ago, showing you the volatility of the stock. So if you're a bag holder and there's many of them out there on Twitter, this video is for you. This is how we were able to take advantage of a first green day move in MULN and profit 20% plus overnight. Now, why I say what goes around comes back around is because we are now 11 for 15 on the stock MULN. Last year was our number one profitable stock. We profited 7 for 9, winning over $8,000 on the stock. And this year we are now over $4,000 in profit, winning 4 out of 6 times on MULN. So it tends to be our favorite stock where we have a 73% win ratio on it. What I want to point out here is we are always playing the same pattern with this stock, and that is a first green day after multiple downward days. Most of our wins on this stock does happen in post-market or pre-market movement. So the stock tends to be volatile in post-market and pre-market, and I just want to point that out before diving in to this day. Now let's dive into the day that we are eyeing down. And at first, we took it from our weekly watchers watch list, and that's a watch list we create every single Sunday. So we had this on the watch list looking for the next week, and it happened on a Wednesday when it came down to 10 cents. 10 cents is a key spot for any type of penny stock out there, and we wanted to see if it can hold it. It couldn't hold 10 cents, so it cracked all the way down to 8.8. But the next day it came back above 10 cents, and that's when we decided to take advantage of it. Now, we looked at it because we liked the fact that it bumped above 10 cents and that it was creating a first green day after multiple red days. Now we want to see, do we find a support level or a risk level to base off of for us now to take it overnight? Because the last 10 times we profited off this stock, we were able to profit from it overnight play. So now we're looking for a similar move here in MULN. We like the way that it popped above 10 cents and then it held that spot all day. 10.2 was pretty much the daily support after 10 o'clock. As a stock sniper, our favorite time to buy is during power hour, which is from 3 to 4, and that's when we really started to eye down MULN. You could see it's creating a tight range between 10.5 and 10.3, and that's when we decided to get in at the end of the day, right around 10.38 as we were closing out the day. We have tight risk levels at 10.2, and if we want to be even a little more relaxed, which I don't recommend in the market, you can even use 10 cents as your cut, which that's a 4% risk. So we like to use a 5% risk at the most. 4% is nice, but if you get out at 10.2, that's only a 2% risk. So a minimal risk for a nice upside with MULN, and that's usually how the stock works out, and that's why we like this stock a lot. So now we're in at 10.38 and the bell rings. Like we said before, most of these moves have come in the post-market or pre-market when we've profited off of MULN. We're keeping an eye on it. It's holding 10.2, holding 10.3, and then it starts to break that high a day. Now, there's a pattern that we've recently been taking advantage of, and that's a red to green momentum shift move. If you haven't checked out our YouTube video, definitely go check that YouTube video out now. But MULN made one of those red to green moves. It made that move post-market when it broke out right here, and off to the races it went. The stock spiked all the way to 11 cents. And that's where I'm going to take you into a live recording. So I started recording when I opened up my phone and realized we are in action, guys. We got a very nice push right above high a day, and now we're looking at new highs of 11 cents. It tops out at around 11.8, or it tops out around 11 cents, and then it continues to run, and it runs all the way up to 12 cents. At this point, I want to take my bag, but something that I'm working on is letting my winners win. Something that helps out in the stock market is when you do have a winner, let it win. So we are trying to stay patient with Mullen. You can see it making new high a day above 12 cents. We're now up $1,500. But we have to keep in the back of our mind, this is a first green day forming, and we know that when Mullen does make moves like this, it can follow up the next day. So we stay patient. It actually levels out there. As I'm walking my dog, I am still watching it. So there's a nice picture of me walking my dog. And as I'm walking my dog, I'm watching Mullen, and Mullen starts to make that daily support. And that daily support post-market is 11.5. So now we have a clear-cut level of 11.5 for the next day, where we'd guarantee a $1,000 win, or we could try to stay a little more patient. And that's why you got to stay patient and let your winners win. And now let's take you to the next morning. And the next morning, we got exactly what we were looking for, and that is a gap up in Mullen. We got to close at 12 cents at the end of the post-market yesterday, and now we are showing 12.5 to open up pre-market the next morning. TD Ameritrade doesn't let you trade till 7. So 7 o'clock, we have to wait and be patient for that moment to happen. At 7 o'clock, the stock actually goes up slightly to 12.6, and we just told ourselves we're going to use 12.5 as cut. We feel confident with over 15%, now 20% as a bag, and we now got what we were looking for exactly in Mullen. One thing you want to do is let your winners win, but another thing you want to make sure you do is grab your bag when you have it, especially when it's 20% overnight. And that's what we got here in Mullen. So as we see the bag happen, we take half of our bag, or most of it, right there at 12.5, and then 12.55, and then we take the other half as it starts to come down at 12.5. So altogether, we're able to average just over 20% on Mullen, grabbing the Mullen bag early in the morning, taking it overnight. So we bought this at 3:55 in the afternoon the day before, and we sold it at 7-ish the next morning. So only being in the stock from one night to the next and making 20% profit, and a total of just about $2,000 there on our favorite stock of 2022, and it looks like now of 2023, MULN. Shouts out to MULN, and shouts out to all the other snipers that were able to take advantage of it. Sauceboy has been killing MULN lately, so shout out to Sauceboy. Keep up the hard work, and let's keep tagging bags together, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, comment, like it, let me know what I should be doing better. Let me know if you want to join the team, because we'd love to have you on the team. We have a mobile app as well as our website with a community of traders, all in the same goal of getting rich together. That's where the watch list where Mullen was on. So check us out on our website at thestocksnipers.com. Hope to see you guys on the team. And if not, hopefully you enjoyed this trade review and you can tag a bag off a similar move like this. Definitely keep an eye on Mullen. We'll continue to eye it down in 2023 to try to beat the profit of just over $8,000 in 2022. See you guys next time. Peace.